dude, and I just got this for Christmas, the Logitech mouse. It is a wireless gaming mouse. It's a Logitech G700s. It's a wireless gaming mouse. Never owned a gaming mouse, don't know anything. I just thought Logitechs were cool because I'm used to having Logitech stuff. My webcam. So yeah, rechargeable. It has rechargeable, so you can make it like wired and wireless. And it comes with a bunch of buttons on it. There's probably software I can program to. There's tracking. So it's adjustable DPI, which all I understand is DPI. It's like a sensitivity kind of thing. My headphones are in my way. Loop. Let's go. So yeah, let's see. This has, I don't know how well you can see that, but this has 200 DPI to 8200 DPI, 12 megapixel a second, and 30G up to 4 meters a second. 16-bit axle up to, what does that say? Up to 1,000 reports a second. And then in a bunch of other languages. So let's get into this. I like their flap. I kinda don't want to like open it because the flap is so cool. I use a pencil. I don't have scissors on me. Let's open this because it's easier to see. Oh, that was easy. I just used a broken pencil that, like, it doesn't have the top anymore. I didn't get this last part open. That just happened. Oh, okay. There we go. And so yeah, it's kind of weird opening it from the front. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this has more DPI than the mouse I have now. I have one of those $10, you can buy it even at a gas station mouse. I got mine at Best Buy while I was there. Oh, not while I was there. Yeah, it's so deep. Jeez. There you go, it just pops out. I'm going to keep this box because it's cool. Put that over there on my bed. And there's a mouse. Look, more tape. Oh, that's the tape I ripped. Never mind. Okay, so there's the mouse itself. It's like in a wedge. Okay, aside from that, let's pretend that didn't happen. It was still in the encasing, so it should be fine. The things I've heard about this mouse, there's a G700, and that costs more, which makes no sense, but yeah. This has like a special finish so that it doesn't wear down as other mice do. So I'm trying to figure out if I should open it from here or from here. So I'm going to open this up first. I don't want to rip the packaging. Not that I care about it. I just want to rip what's inside. Yep, I'm already ripping it. Because I could tell that wedge wasn't going to come off. There you go. And so inside the wedge is where everything is kept. So let's make that on the side. So inside here we get this. Oh, actually there's something in it. I thought this was just this white thing. Oh, that's the user manual. Pretty handy dandy. Try to put this back. Yeah, I'll mess with that later. I think this. Whoa, that's cool. Like the black thing right there. Here's the cable. I think this is I'm so confused. Oh, I know what this is. USB extender. So if you can get better signal, but if you're really close to your PC, like I am, see my mouse, and there it is. There, it should be fine. At least that's what I've seen on YouTube, that they've used it like that. I like this cable because when you plug it in, it looks like it's wired. It's pretty kind of neat. Sorry guys, still down with like a little cold. Actually, what time? After this video, I gotta take my medicine. I have to take it every 4 hours. And I have no idea how you do this. Okay. Now I don't know how to open this. Oh, okay, I see. You just take this wedge and open it. And there you go. So this should come with a battery. If it doesn't, not so bad. So here's the mouse. Yeah, so I have to replace this dongle because these dongles are different. So if you already have a Logitech mouse, dongles are totally different. This is high latency dongle. A dongle. Get that knife. That's trash now. And here we go. So, the cable, the mouse, and the extender. So I'm not going to open this because I don't think I'll need it. So, it's on the back of my computer. Here's my little dongle. You can tell which one's which. My old one's so much bigger, which is really weird. My computer is on, so let's turn it on. Wow, here we go. Oh, look, Battlefield's up. So yeah, you can see that. So I have to download the program for Logitech. But yeah, this is my old mouse. Here, a new one. Yeah, I hate this little one because I have to go like, when I do it, go like this one. Oh my god, but this one's so much bigger. I like this one. I don't have to go like that. I don't claw like that, but like I have to do it with this because I don't know. This will make my gaming better. Yep. So okay, so this has 13 buttons. So 1, 2, 3 on here. Yes, these will say G on them for the Logitech because they use G for it. And there's these ones. There's 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these ones move. So what I like about in this middle, I don't know. Oh, this one. There we go. So this one, you can see, you have your normal scroll. So you have your normal scrolling. You do this. Does it work? Okay, it works. And you can go, and it'll go straight down the page. And you just, so I'm gonna guess okay, let's open this and see if there's a battery in here. Oh, look, an in loop. I heard they're pretty good. I've had in loops for some other things, but I can go with pile trash. I thought I lost this. How do you mice? I don't. That's a really weird way. Oh wow, there's a battery indicator. So, oh, okay. So I figured out what this button does. Switches you. This is the DPI mode. See how much battery. So, and here's the cable. A good looking cable. I'm not going to unwrap it, but that'll plug into my PC. Or, here you can see on my power surge, there is USB right there, and it'll plug into there. Actually, I will unplug it to show you guys how cool it looks. So, which has Velcro, which is pretty cool. So, I think there's, there you go, and bring that, guys, I'm looking at my phone for a second, and a picture of my father. And their thumbs, actually. I'm going to switch these. Okay, this one's closer. There you go. And here. Bro! This cable will make me mad. This cable just plugs up right in the front of the mouse. Oh, right there. See, I don't know if this will work. I don't know if you actually have to directly plug the PC. No. Functionality was for it. But we will see. See the bottom of my monitor. Oh, it's really snazzy. There you go. Battery indicators changed. And it is charging. Okay. So I'm going to kill this battery first before I charge it. But it looks really nice. It looks like an actual mouse. Like it was intended to be like that. Stiff. It's my monitor again. Sorry. That'll fall. So, let's plug the dongle into my PC. Oh, I can't actually hear it because those are plugged in. So, is it paired? Oh, hey, it's paired. Okay. So let's go on to something that has like lots of text. YouTube. So here we go. So there's normal. Oh wait, this isn't normal. See, look. I like this. Look. And look, watch my fingers. Swing. Okay, now when I turn it off. Okay, when I turn it off. So yeah, you can hear it. How well it's coming out on camera, but. So, let's go into the internet. Let's go to Google. And let's look for, I like the way it feels. They're really, like, first impressions, gripping my hand. Too much work. You better forget. I guess it's dead when it's not working. So what does the right Google page suggests? G700s. Oh yeah, by the way, I got this off of Amazon, so if you want to, I will put the link in the description if you're interested. Like, this is matte finish. Feels really nice. I mean, it's not as heavy as you'd expect it. Software. Go. This on the website. Oh my gosh. You buy this on Amazon for like half that, like 50. Oh, you can see right here. Gosh, look at these. Look at these prices. Yeah. So let's go back. Features. Can I download the software? Specifications. Yeah. Support. Where is my software? Okay, so if you want it, I guess I should show you. So just go into Google, type in Logitech software, go to the first link, you should get here, click support, it'll take you into a new tab. Click Windows 10, Logitech connection Unity, gaming software. Oh, actually I don't need that. So download this first one, the gaming software. I'm pretty sure those will change your buttons and you can change which layout. I don't know if that button actually changes the DPI or if it changes just any setting. If it changes like the modes, like so what these buttons do. So like in different modes. So like one mode will be for Battlefield, one mode will be for Call of Duty, one will be for Counter-Strike, something like that. It'll take a minute. Not too bad, so I'll come back to you guys when it is. Okay, so I just noticed this. It works. It's plugged into like a wall outlet, like the ones for cell phones that you would use. It works. That's pretty cool. Oh, I like how, because on this mouse, I'd have to go like this, and then I have to pick it up and like move it back down. This one, I haven't had to do that so far. I don't know. I have to figure out DPI and figure out what's. So anyway, I'm just leave that plugged in. So it's downloaded. So this does work on Windows 10 and 7 and Vista and whatever it says. Let's open that. Yeah. It's kind of bright, sorry. English. Hey, this webpage was good to do this. Okay, that was fun. So, I almost got the Performance. I almost asked for the Performance MX for Christmas, and I was like, the Performance MX is more for productivity versus gaming because this has changeable DPI. I think it's 100 and something that the Performance MX has. Over this adjustable one, so I thought this would be better, and it does this. It has the same functionality plus more for things I really don't need on, like on the other one, it's zoom and other things I don't need on a mouse. So yeah, install. Oh boy, let's see how fast that is. Oh. This is installing onto my SSD, isn't it? See how fast it installs onto it. We can close this web page. I don't think I'll need it. My music's still playing. Okay. This is going pretty quick. If it was going pretty slow, then I come and have you guys wait with me. Thank you. You can get their app. Oh, I have to restart my computer. Okay, let's just restart my computer now. So I guess I'll see you back when my computer... Okay, upon restart, I got this. Well, I had to do something first. So, okay, let's just check mark stuff. No, I actually read it. I don't want it to use my... okay, and you get this. You don't get an icon on your screen, but you get this. It's special G. It's kind of cool. Let's open it. Please wake up or power on your device. My device is powered on. What are you saying? It crashed. Great. That's what I want to see. Okay. Oh. Okay, it crashed because it was reading the stupid thing. They say the software is good. Upon start... Okay, not so well. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's erase this. No. I don't know what I'm doing. So, here we have home, that, changes to settings. You have notification, G700, profiles, and axle control. There's a share button. Yeah, I'm not sharing then. Questions. What does this bring up? Oh, this just brings up a guide. So yeah, you can adjust the scroll wheel, can you? Wait, profile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1. Okay, so this is profile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this will be my default one. So, and you can change the DPI. I don't know what that is. Assign default. Let's go default. So yeah, I'm gonna mess around with this, but that was my unboxing of the Logitech G700s. I will do a review and tell you what settings, because I don't know what any of this does. So yeah, Merry Christmas and have a great holidays. Hope you got what you wanted.